Hey guys, today we're going to test out some Sheglam lip products. I'm really excited for this video. I feel like it'll be a lot of fun. I really like Sheglam and I feel like they've got a lot of cool different products, so I just thought that we'd test them out together. Some of these everything I've got here is new to me in the sense of like shades and the stuff, but some of them I've tried like other formulas and things before, but most of them I haven't tried. So first thing that we have is the Pout Pillow Cushion Lip Gloss. I've also got one of the lipstick and liner duos. I've tried this product before, but not this shade. This came in the advent calendar. This is the Sour Gummy Jelly Wow Glitter Lip. I've got the Mellow Jello Nourishing Lip Balm. I've got a Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil. I've got a couple of lip liners. I've got one of the little Crystal Glaze Moisturizing Lip Cares. I've tried this formula before, but not this scent or flavour or whatever. And then I've got two of these. These are the Glow Addict Lip Balms. So we're just going to try everything out. I'm so excited. So the first thing that we're going to try is the Pout Pillow Cushion Lip Gloss. This one's in the shade KO. This is the packaging. Looks so cute. And then, yeah, it's like a cushion. I don't know, like, if you're meant to squeeze. I'm guessing he's... Oh, yeah, okay. Alright, let's try her. I'm so confused as to how... You actually Pout. It's meant to be a lip gloss. Have I not squeezed enough out? Okay. I feel like the applicator is really weird. Like, it just doesn't really... I see what they were going for, but I don't think it's translating, unfortunately. Unless I'm using it wrong. I don't know. Anyway, it's like a nice shade and I feel like it looks nice on the lips, but I don't like the applicator. I feel like it's weird. Like, you have to kind of squeeze it and press it down at the same time, and like I feel like it leaves weird streaks, and yeah, unless you're meant to like literally like put it on there and then use this, but like I feel like it just doesn't distribute the product properly and it kind of wipes it off as you're using it. Like, yeah, that is definitely not my favorite. I feel like there's not many things that I've tried from Sheglam that I haven't liked yet, but I think this is probably my first flop. Okay, next up, let's test this. This is the Jelly Wow Glitter Lip Sour Gummy. I don't know how I thought it would smell. I guess I thought it would smell like a gummy bear or something. I actually do like the way that this looks on the lips. I just don't like the applicator. I feel like if it was in a different applicator, I'd really enjoy it, but it's just a bit weird. I mean, maybe it's user error. Maybe I'll get used to using it. I feel like it gives me kind of like lip injection vibes, but like in a good way. Okay, let's try the Sour Gummy. This is actually cute. I actually really like it. I feel like obviously it's not like an everyday thing, but I feel like it looks really cute. Like if you're going to a party or something like that, I feel like it'd be a really nice like lip topper. And what I like is you can't feel the granules. You can't feel the little bits of glitter in it. It's not like... You know when you put glitter on your lips, like normally you can kind of feel it. It's not like that with this. I actually quite like it. I feel like it's cute and it's kind of subtle. Like I feel like you could honestly wear it every day, or you could just wear it like special occasions. I do have a bit of fluff stuck to my lip. But yeah, I actually quite like it. I think it's cute. Yeah, I actually really like that one. I thought it was really cute. I feel like I've still got leftover glitter on my lips. It's not coming off, but for the most part we're okay. Alright, let's try this. This is the Mellow Jello Nourishing Lip Balm and mine's in the shade Ruby. I think this is the one that like looks like a little cat paw. So this is like packaging. It is! It's got a little paw on it. It's so cute and it looks like jelly. Like I just want to eat it and it smells so good. Yum. Oh my god, the little cat paw feels so weird. Oh my god, okay. One thing, they've made a packaging flaw. When you're putting it on your lips, it goes down as you're like applying it. You can't hold this bit, you have to hold this barrel bit. Okay, I feel like there's not a whole lot of colour. I just switch on my hand, you can see there, over here, that like it's kind of like one of like a little bit translucent, like transparent. It does feel really nice on the lips though, like very like hydrating and stuff. But yeah, it's not going to add much in the way of like colour or anything like that. Just like a tiny little flash. I do feel like it kind of makes my lips look nice though, like in a weird way. Like it's just like the most subtle hint of colour. But I actually really like the way that feels on the lips and I really like the way that tastes. This one should be easy to get off. Okay, let's try this next. This is the Glam 101 Lipstick and Liner Duo in Macaron. I have used one of these before. I can't remember the shade though. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's super cute. So one end is your liner and then yeah, the other end is your lipstick. I actually like it. I feel like it's a really cute little design. It's slipping around everywhere because there's still like a bit of like excess like lip balm on the lips. Oh my god, I've done the most terrible job. I've like overlined my lips so much. Oh, I don't know if I like this colour combo. I don't think it suits me very well. I've obviously done a terrible job of applying it, but yeah. I don't think this colour combo is for me. Like, it's okay. I liked the other one I think that I used, but probably just wouldn't get a lot of wear out of this one. Oh my god, I've done the worst job of applying it. Oh my god, I just poured mascara water all over myself. I feel like I can't even tell where my lips starts and ends anymore. Because like the ring around my like mouth just keeps getting bigger. Oh my god. Okay, it's time to bring out the big guns. Get myself a little hot and round. We might have to do a little bit of a application of foundation just for a little touch up. Oh my god, now I've got foundation lips though. Oh my god, I just can't win. I cannot win. Alright, we're going to try the Jelly Well Hydrating Lip Oil. This one's in Malibu Berry. I have tried the Jelly Wows, but they're in different packaging, and I think this is the new packaging. I like this packaging a lot more. I feel like it's super cute. How cute is this? It smells really nice. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, it honestly does feel like jelly. It's weird. I actually really like that. It feels like thicker than like a normal lip oil, but like in a good way. Like, almost kind of feels like a lip mask, but like I feel like I'm making it sound bad. Like it feels like, I don't know, like thick, but in a good way. And you guys know I don't normally like thick stuff on my lips, but I really like this. I feel like it looks really cute. I would like to get the other shades though, because I feel like the blue is just giving off like a bit of tinge of like I've died. I've got frostbite. Okay, let's take this bad girl off. I really like that though. I really want to get more of those Jelly Well ones. Next we have the So Lippy Liner Set in Espresso Kisses. So we've got 3 different shades in here. I'm going to swatch them for you. And then, oh that's right, I remember this when I unboxed them. They don't have like the shades on them, which is so annoying. Like once you take them out of the box you don't really know. On the back here it tells you like what number like correlates to which shade, but like once I throw the box out I'm not going to remember. I'm just going to swatch them and then we'll do one on the lips just so you can see how it looks. They're very nice shades though. I mean, I guess like it doesn't matter too much that you don't know the shade names. Like I feel like it's just easier if you do know them. But yeah, so like on the bottom it has like 524 and it says on the back that 524 is but first coffee, but like I'm not going to remember that when I throw the box out. But anyway, they're really cute shades. So that are the shades swatched there. And I might even put the darker one on. We'll put this one on. They're really, really nice on the lips, like very smooth. Okay, I'm just going to try and like blend it out a bit. My lips like super hydrated, so from all like the oils and stuff. Yeah, that's how it looks. So this is like the darkest of the 3. It's real cute. I like it. I feel like it's really easy to use, so it's good. Okay. We get to try this. This is the Crystal Glaze Moisturising Lip Care in Cocoa Cookie. I love my strawberry milk one, so I'm so excited for this. Oh my god. That tastes so good. I love these so much. I actually need to start taking them to work with me. Feel nice, taste nice, and they look nice. I just really love this product. My lips look silly at the moment because there's this big ring around it, but so cute. Okay, we're on to the last product, which I'm so excited about. This is the Glow Addict Lip Balm. It's like a painted thing, so interested to see how that goes. Alright, let's try these. So yeah, I've got 2 shades. One is Peach Juice and one is Rocky Road. It looks like I've swatched one of them before. So yeah, you twist it like this and it comes out the end. I'm running out of room to swatch things. Does it smell? I kinda can't tell. Kinda, I think. Oh my god, I twisted that one up way too much. Oh my god, I didn't think it was coming out, so I just like... Okay, I feel like I'm gonna have to use Rocky Road because I accidentally like basically twisted the whole tube out. I feel like they have like a subtle scent. Once again, like, I feel like the applicator, like, I feel like they're trying to, like, be innovative and have cool ideas and things like that, which I understand. Like I love that they're being different, but like it's just a little bit, it doesn't translate on the lips the best. So this is Rocky Road. I honestly do like it. I don't know if this shade is my favourite. I feel like looking at peach juice would probably be more my thing. That's peach juice and that's Rocky Road, but I still do like it and it feels very nice on the lips. So yeah, that was everything. Okay, I think my favourite things are definitely these four. So my little crystal glaze lip care, love. This mellow jello thing, obsessed. I actually really like, sorry, my camera ran out of storage. What was I saying? I think I was talking about this. I really liked this sour jelly thing. What was it called? Sour gummy jelly wow glitter lip. I really liked that. Love this. I feel like that's really nice. And I don't mind these Glow Addict lip balms. Like, I feel like it's kind of cute. I honestly, I feel like I like everything actually. I feel like those are the four that I just like the most. Like, I did really enjoy this product. I just don't like the applicator. Lip liners are really nice, and then I think my least favorite was this, just because I don't love the shade. But yeah, let me know if you want to see me try out like more things from Sheglam. I actually really love the brand. I feel like they're super fun. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.